How are you doing today? I hope you know how important you are. If you're new here, I am Teresa. Thanks for watching. And if you are returning, thanks for coming back. Today is our Sewing Tuesday. So if you like what you see, please think of subscribing and give this a thumbs up. That helps me know what extra content to make. So we are going to do some ruffles and some straight stitching. And we're going to do them on here for here. So I'm going to do two, and this isn't long enough, so I'm just going to add the ruffles to this because I'm pretty sure I have more of that. But first, we are going to just rip part of this. Where okay. This one's going to go on here, and then for this one, we're going to do double-sided, and the first set is going to go on the back and go all the way to there. I'm not going to need this part of it, so we're just going to snip that off right there. Okay. And then this part is going to go on the front, and that we are going to just glue it on. So let's get sewing. So these are a little different, but that's okay. So we're going to start this off. Make sure you guys can see. I don't want my head in your guys' way. There we go. Hopefully that's good enough. And we are just going to start right there. And then go the rest of the way down. So here we go. This is about where the overlay is, somewhere around here, right here, and you can't really tell. And this should be long enough to put onto the back or the front side of this. Now we're going to use the exact same stitch and sew this one. And then we're, oh wait, we want it on the black, so we want the wrong side. Okay. Empty. We're going to flip this over for the front and just glue this right there. Okay. Now, berry art glue holds fabric together. It just takes a long time for it to dry and work for that. So, we are going to just and then we're going to put some pressure on that with something. All right, that'll work. Okay, so now that this is completely dry, this is how it's going to look. We're going to have a little bit right like that. And then when it gets opened, this will be on the inside. So let's just refilled this glue, and it is not nice right now. Okay. There we go. Threads out. Okay. So I'm going to hold this up so I can make sure I get, there we go. I don't need this bit, so let's cut this little piece off. There we go. Oh, I like that. How fun is that? And then I'm just going to take this and get a little bit more glue right in here, just to make sure it's securely on. There we go. It's cute on both ways. Okay, now for this one, here we go. We are going to want to get all of this, look at that, so much. Okay. And we definitely need all of this cut too. There we go. So, I think we need to get just a little bit of that over the edge, that way it covers it. And actually you can see a little bit of it this way, which is really cute. So we are going to use that in there. Okay, now let's get some glue on here and get it down. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same as what I did the other one, because we know we want it a little bit to where we could see just a little bit of that edging. It's a lot of extra glue. Okay, we need that dried, but look at that, there we go. We have our front page, and then we have our back page. I really like that. Fun, easy way to, if your pages stick out more and you don't really want them sticking out, to cover them up. I'm really in love with the front one. It just adds extra to both sides. I love it. Let me know in the description. Let me know in the comments below, which do you like better? Thank you for joining me. I hope you have learned something from this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.